Just wanted to show you guys a quick method to remove these festival wristbands off you. Simple and quick. Now there's another method where you twist it and then you hold on tight to this and slide it down. But I'm gonna use this plastic bag method. So what you do is you stick the plastic bag through here, right? You stick the plastic bag through the wristband. Put your whole hand in it. So you're gonna put the whole wristband over top of the bag. All of it. So then what we're gonna do, once we have that, we're gonna roll it back like this. And watch how simple this comes out. Then you're just gonna pull it forward now. And now you don't have to cut your wristband. Just like that. Hey, shout out to all the guys selling that bootleg merch outside the festivals. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be able to afford them.